Hey friends, I am going to show you how you can change the name of your website on Squarespace with just a few clicks. Let's get into it. Here we are on my demo website, and as you can see at the top of my screen, it says your site title. And if you go to settings or anywhere else, you're not going to find the ability to make an edit to your site title. But if you go into any page on your site and you click edit, and then from there in your edit site header right here, just hover over the top of your site, click edit site header. Then you can click on your site title and logo. Most likely you have a logo here, so you don't actually see the text, but you click on that, and then you could change the title here. So as soon as I make a change, I'm just gonna put an exclamation point there, click out of it, hit save, and then it'll refresh the page, and you'll see the exclamation point is there now. Now, as you can see, I actually just uploaded a random logo here just for a minute, and you can see the site title still exists. So this is gonna be for the top of your site, and it really is important for SEO and everything else to make sure your site title is actually your website name. Now, if you found that helpful, I have 2 more resources down below that are gonna help you that are completely free. The first one is if you sign up for an annual plan with the link down below and you use the promo code, you will get an extra 20 or maybe 25% off the annual plan. On top of that, if you are just getting started with Squarespace, I have something called the Scale Creative Wireframes template, which is the best place to start. It is where I start all the sites that I've built, over 300 websites on Squarespace, and you could get it for free today if you are a non-designer. If you're a designer and you want to use it for client projects, it's paid. But if you are a non-designer, it is completely free to use for your website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.